Hi guys, this is my Honda Grom clone, better known as the Boom Vader 125. Now this is a 125cc carbureted bike made in China. But what's cool about these bikes is a lot of the Honda Grom parts will swap right on, and a lot of the aftermarket parts will work as well. So these things are highly modifiable, and if you want a little practice bike to learn wheelies on, to learn some entry-level stunts, I think this is the way to go. This thing cost me 1,000 bucks, a lot cheaper than the Honda Grom. And one thing I'm really stoked on is you could swap a 190 or even better a 212cc engine in this bike, and it's practically a direct bolt-in. You swap a couple wires, obviously you got to reconnect the throttle cable and all of that, but 212cc swapped Honda Grom clone, double the power, little wheelie monster. I think this thing is going to be a blast. So what I'm working on now is I'm taking some stock parts off, getting rid of this big plastic piece here. I'm going to order a new Amazon taillight that has the blinkers built in, and I've got a little pizza and beer action here, but I got this rear kind of crash scrape bar and some new handlebars. So this is kind of the first little taste of this project, and really excited to get this rolling. So I'm gonna get after it. This piece is on. Yeah, bolts right in. Like I said, this is a Honda Grom part on Amazon, and it bolted right in. So you have 4 bolts on the rear frame here. All right, so I'm gonna order up a headlight, and let's start taking these handlebars off. Okay, this is just snug. I'm gonna do some final adjustments here, left and right. See where I need that before I really tighten it down. And I gotta make up my mind whether I'm gonna chop off some of the ends of these bars. You can see they are pretty wide, and maybe that'll be fine and fun, but I don't think I need them that wide for this little bike. And even if I take off, you know, if I shave off the one on each side here, it's still gonna be wider than stock. So for now, I think we're gonna leave it at that. So I've got a rear taillight on order. It should be here in a couple of days. It's got the integrated blinkers and everything. I'm gonna order some flush mount blinkers for the front here. Yeah, we'll start to button up the throttle housing and new grips, all of that in the next episode. Yeah, this is the basic teaser of this cool little Honda Grom clone. Yeah, guys, I mean, let me know what you think of the Honda Grom clone here. Like I said, the 212 swap is definitely in the future. So if you're interested in seeing that, you know, subscribe, come back and check back on the future progress. Don't worry, I'm still doing KTM 790 adventure stuff. Got plenty of trips planned with this beautiful baby. Love it. It is my primary bike. And I've got a 4-day overnight trip in the works for this thing. So come back for that as well. And what do you think about knobbies on this thing? I can get a set of knobbies for this thing. That might be kind of fun. I'm not gonna go too hard off-road because ground clearance is the best. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the next one. We'll catch you later. Bye.